Today we're going to install a new battery on this 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Alright, I just made a video of how to remove the battery, and this is a video of how to install the replacement. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and install it into the battery compartment. This is not located in front of the engine bay. It's actually located behind or underneath the passenger seat. Here it is. So let's go ahead and drop this battery in there. Alright, and there it is. The first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and plug in the positive terminal. There it goes. And we're going to go ahead and secure that with a 10mm socket. Alright, there it is, nice and secure. Now we're able to slide that all the way in. Next thing we're going to do is grab our battery bracket, and we're going to go ahead and put it right in here. Right down. So let's grab our bracket and bring it down in here. It's actually going to go this way. And just hook it on right there. Make sure all those cables are not underneath it. Just like so. Now we're able, this little vacuum line, let's go ahead and plug it in actually. While we're at it. Grab our two nuts. And these will be 13mm. And we'll go ahead and put them down here and secure them down right in here. We're going to be using an extension with the 13, and we'll go ahead and put this down, and we'll go ahead and secure all those in with the ratchet and the other one as well. Once we have that all nice and secured, let's go ahead and plug in our negative cable. And the car wants to come to life ASAP. So make sure just bring this down and seat it correctly. And go ahead and secure this negative one down as well. Alright, nice and tight. Battery's not going anywhere. Let's go ahead and put on the cover. It has these little inserts. We're going to insert from the front and the rear. Alright, just give it a nice little tap to secure it. Alright, and just put your mat back into place. Put the seat back to the way you want it. I have it all the way up, so we'll bring it down. And slide it back. The recliner as well. I did have to jump start this vehicle, so I did not use a memory saver. And this is my personal opinion, a little proof that you do not need a memory saver to change out the battery. Nothing's wrong with it. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.